Okay, we're installing the last few parts to the Dodger. I have it all rolled up here, and I need to put on the side curtain, which was the first thing we made in the video series. So I need to now attach it, so I have it stuck to the Dodger. It's just so big, it's impossible to really show down here, but I have the top and the front panel sewn together. Now I'm attaching this, which it actually attaches to both. And I have it down here. Looks wrong, but when you fold it over, this little tab goes away. And again, we have a flat piece going on to effectively a round piece, so this was fun to seam stick together. So this is glued together with seam stick. And then I need to sew this after this is all done. And then I will do the other side. So this will be a short piece to do. I don't have my camera mount, so I'm going to sew it off camera, but I think you're going to get the idea of what sewing would look like. So I have the two outside facing each other. I'm going to sew on the inside, and that's it. So I will be back in a minute. Okay, we've got the panel sewn in. This is the starboard side. So here is the front panel right here, which has the windshield in it, and this is the very end of it. And then here's a top piece, which is above your head on the boat, and here is the side. So that's it. And then on the inside view, you have the pocket, and everything is sewn up nice, everything lined up nice. And that piece down at the bottom where it looked like it wasn't going to fit, as you can see, it fit nicely. And don't mind my Crocs. And so that's about it on this side. I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. And then we need to sew in the wear strip on the top, which has the zipper that I made. So that's going to go on last because the side panel needed to be on before that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.